Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This lecture is about one world substitution. A bicycle for two or more people is called tandem. A body of persons appointed to hear evidence are judge and give their verdict, decision, jury. A brief or a short stay at a place, sojourn. A broad road bordered with trees, boulevard. A building in which aircraft are housed, hangar. A building where an audience sits, auditorium. A child born after the death of his father, posthumous. A collection of slaves, kofil. A decorative ring of flowers and leaves, wreath. A den for small animals, hutch. A disease that affects a large number of people in an area at the same time is epidemic. A disease which is spread by direct contact, contagious. A doctor who specializes in the eye diseases of the eyes, ophthalmologist. A doctor who treats children, pediatrician. A dramatic performance, mask. A drawing or transparent paper, transparency. A figure of speech by which a thing is spoken of as being that which it only resembles, simile. A fixed orbit in space in relation to the earth, geostationary. A four-footed animal, quadruped. A four-wheeled carriage for a baby pushed by a person on foot, pram. A game in which no one wins, draw. A general pardon of offenders, amnesty. A government by official, bureaucracy. A geometrical figure with 8 sides, octagon. A group of girls, BB. A group of 3 powerful people, triumvirate. A guide post posing out the way for a place, finger post. A heavy continuous fall of rain, downpour. A humorous driving dealing with current events or politics, cartoon. A jocular person who is full of amusing anecdotes, vague. A large number of fish swimming together, shoal. A large sleeping room with many beds, dormitory. A light sailing boat but specially for racing, yacht. A list of books and writing of one author or one subject, bibliography. A list of books available in a library, catalog. A list of passengers and luggage, waybill. A low area storm with high winds rotating about a center of low atmospheric pressure, cyclone. A man having no hair on scalp, bald. A man of lax moral, licentious. A man who does not know how to read or write, illiterate. A man who knows a lot about things like food, music, art, connoisseur. A man who wastes his money on luxury, extravagant. A man with abnormal habit, eccentric. A medicine to nullify the effect of poison, antidote. A method which never fails, infallible. A mild or indirect expression substituted for an offensive or harsh one. Euphemism, a mournful poem or a song. Elegy, a narrow stretch of land connecting two large bodies of land. Isthmus, a notice of a person's death. Obituary, a number of stars grouped together. Constellation, a paper written by hand. Manuscript, a part of word that can be pronounced separately. Syllable, a person coming to a foreign land and to settle there. Immigrant, a person devoted to sensual enjoyment, especially that derived from fine food and drink. Epicurean, a person 80 years of age. Octogenarian, a person in a vehicle or on horseback escorting another vehicle. Outrider, a person entrusted in collecting, studying, and selling of old things. Antiquarian, a person interested in reading books and nothing else. Bookworm, a person not sure of the existence of God. Agnostic, a person of good understanding, knowledge, and reasoning power. Intellectual, a person who believes that only selfishness motivates human action. Cynic, a person who breaks into houses in order to steal. Burglar, a person who brings goods illegally into the country. Smuggler, a person who devotes his or her life for the welfare of other. Altruist, a person who does not believe in any religion. Pagan, a person who gambles or bets. Punter, a person who helps even a stranger in difficulty. Samaritan, a person who insists on some things. Stickler, a person who is always hopeful and looks upon the brighter side of things. Optimist, a person who is fluent in two languages. Bilingual, a person who is greatly respected because of wisdom. Venerable, a person who is killed because of their religion or other beliefs. Martyr, a person who is killed in horsemanship. Equestrian, a person who is unable to pay debts. Insolvent, a person who is well known in an unfavorable way. Notorious, a person who is working in the same institution. Colleague, a person who kills somebody especially for political reason. Assassin, a person who knows many foreign languages. Linguist, a person who lives by himself. Recluse, a person who loves mankind. Philanthropist, a person who never takes alcoholic drink. Teetotaler, a person who opposes war or use of military forces. Pacifist, a person who pretends to be what he is not. Impostor, a person who supports or speaks in favor of some things. Advocate, a person who thinks only about himself and not about other needs. Egocentric, a person who travels to a scared place as an act of religious devotion. Pilgrim, a person who tries to deceive people by claiming to be able to do wonderful things. Trickster, a person who writes decoratively. Calligrapher, a person with a long experience of any occupation. Veteran, a person without training or experience is skilled in a skill or subject, novice. A person worship only one god, monotheist. A person's peculiar habit, idiosyncrasy. A picture of a person or a thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner to cause a louder caricature. A place of good climate for invalids, sanatorium. A place of permanent residence, domicile. A place where bees are kept apiary, a place where all religions are honored, secular. A place where birds are kept aviary, a place where clothes are kept wardrobe. It was the end of the lecture. Please like this video and subscribe my channel, and you must have a good comment over this lecture. Thank you.